In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively undo actions in Notion using 4 different methods. Whether you're a seasoned Notion user or just starting out, understanding how to revert changes is an essential skill. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to your connected workspace where all your wikis, documents, and projects reside within Notion. If you're not already logged in, now's the time to do so. Head over to the Notion homepage and click on the Login button. Fill in your credentials and gain access to your workspace. If you're new to Notion, it's a simple sign-up process, and the interface will guide you through the steps. Once you're logged in and on your Notion homepage, find the page where you've made changes that need undoing. This is your main hub, and all your notes and pages are organized here. Click on the specific page to bring it up in full view. Now, you have your workspace ready for modifications or corrections. One of the quickest and most common methods to undo an action is by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Z. This command works not only in Notion, but in many applications, so it's a good one to remember. Simply press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard, and the last change you made will be reverted. If you need to undo several actions, continue pressing this combination until you've achieved the desired result. If you're on a Mac, the key combination is Command+Z. It's effectively the same process, just with Mac's unique shortcuts. These shortcuts are particularly handy when you've made a series of edits and need to backtrack quickly. Now, what if you want to redo an action you've just undone? Notion has you covered there as well. You can simply press Ctrl+Y on Windows or Command+Shift+Z on Mac to redo actions. This is perfect for when you're experimenting with changes and need to toggle back and forth to see the effects. Another approach if you're working with blocks of content is to utilize Notion's History feature. This is great for more significant undo operations or reviewing past changes. To access this, click on the 3 dots at the top right of the page. Navigate to the page history, and browse through the recorded changes. This method provides a clear picture of your edits over time, giving you control over which version you wish to restore. These methods ensure that your work remains flexible and that you can efficiently manage your documents without the fear of permanent mistakes. Knowing how to undo is crucial for maintaining accuracy and also helps in freeing you from the anxiety of making errors. Keep practicing these methods, and soon, managing changes in Notion will become second nature. Happy editing!